This is a love reading for you, Scorpio, for you and your love interest. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards in the heart shape spread to see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. Please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate as it is with all Scorpio. So, who are you in the relationship? Who's your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges the two of you bring? What is the how do you see your partner? Likewise, how does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you both have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from, and how's overall the love reading? So let us see. You have lot of money, Scorpio, but it doesn't stop at that. I'm seeing that you have lot of money and then you spend a lot. So some of you may be called a spendthrift, or someone who just loves to go all out or go big with spending, whether it is eating, traveling, just buying clothes. So you seem to be doing very well financially, but you're also spending as much. Some of you may have no plans to start investing just yet, or to go sober with money. You want to go big, and why not? You have worked hard, and it's good to have a good life and spend it on good things in life, or all the things that you've always wanted, or whatever catches your attention. Why not? So you do spend a lot, you know and some of you, Scorpio, may be called as high maintenance by family and friends. It's quite possible some of your family says this Scorpio is high maintenance, wouldn't eat here, or wouldn't travel by this car, or will wear only designer clothes, something like this. So you come across as high maintenance. When I look at your partner or your love interest, I'm seeing is he or she is not very materialistic, or money does not feature in their way of doing things. He or she is just free as a bird, loves to do things as they please, and is also a very avid traveler. It's quite possible out of the two of you, your partner has traveled a lot. And I'm saying this is not a small travel, but traveled world over. It's quite possible you as a partner have done backpacking, or something, or you have done around the world in 1 year, or around the world in 2 years. So you have traveled a lot. It's almost impressive that how well you are traveled. Some of you may be in an entertainment business, or maybe a model also, because I'm seeing this very beautiful energy of someone who's happy, and is happy wearing something or not wearing something. So you could be into an entertainment business, or where you are just appreciated more for your looks and also talents. So yeah, this is also a guidance of someone who's beaten the competition and then gotten big. So some of you are dating a powerful personality. Maybe you are from entertainment, or you're a professional of some sort, and your Scorpio loves to spend, and not just on himself or herself, but also on you. But you are someone who doesn't even care about materialistic things or big brands, or something like that. That is more coming from Scorpio. You both are very, very attracted to each other. When I look at these cards, I'm also seeing that Scorpio trying to buy love. Maybe you feel that if I were to spend so much money on my love interest, I would have a forever lasting love relationship. You may want to correct this mindset, and you may be overdoing, thinking that if you spend enough or way more, your partner will never leave you. That's not how you look at the love relationship. You want to build it something more strong by keeping it more intimate, or spending time with each other, or being real with each other. Yeah, so there is a certain mindset you have, Scorpio, which can be corrected a bit. But you both are very, very happy with each other, especially your partner is very happy enjoying life to the hilt, and so are you. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? You're not someone who will take the traditional route of let's work hard and then let's build some strong foundation and then make money. You are someone who's working very smart and who wants to get things way early or way very young in life, and you seem to have created that success. So when this guidance is in the reverse, it's telling me that you don't want to be working for 30, 40, 50 years to get to a certain success point. You're willing to work smart and create a lot of wealth for yourself. This guidance in the reverse is also telling me you're not very keen on having kids just yet or have a family. So you just want to enjoy life and be with your partner. So there's a lot of intimacy and romance, but you don't want to go the family way, make a commitment, have a marriage, or start to worry about children. Some of you don't want to have children or not are not interested in children at all as of now. What is the strength and challenges your partner is bringing? I'm seeing your partner wants to relocate. He or she wants to go to some place different, and he or she may have a lot to say and talk about, but right now, since life is good, he or she is enjoying it, but there is something that bothers your partner, and he or she will open up to you gradually. So there are things from the past or just internal to your partner where he or she is not opening up, and it's quite possible your partner may have told you that let's relocate to this country or let's move to this place, it's much nicer, something like that. So he or she wants to suggest this to you or may already have been suggesting this to you. So Scorpio, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? You both are actually not extroverts, because I'm saying that you're not much of action energy, and neither is you don't see your partner as much into action energy, neither does your partner. Also, some of you believe your partner does too many things at one time and then has a big no to work with, because a lot of things at the same time are not yielding a result but are leading to exhaustion, leaving things midway, or not completing a lot of things. So you feel that your partner could take it a bit easy and not go or take on too many things. It's quite possible your partner has some business, also is a professional of some sort, has some hobby that he or she is pursuing, then is also trying to mentor people. There are like 20 things that your partner is doing, and you believe your partner is just exhausting himself or herself, and that he or she could go a bit easy. So that's how you see your partner. Your partner sees you as someone whose loyalty needs to be won, or he or she will watch over you. So Scorpio, lot of your friends and family may be coming through first to your partner and then to you. It's almost like your partner has created a filter that first talk to me, then talk to the Scorpio. How and why that filter your partner has created is only known to your partner, but looks like it's a lot of love, lot of happiness, and you want to protect Scorpio and not get influenced by someone in some way. So it's quite possible as a partner, when the Scorpio receives a call or gets an email, you're the first one to ask, but why do you want to meet the Scorpio? What work do you have? How long do you know my Scorpio? Something like that. And the only reason is you're very protective and you want to be a filter, and you don't want anybody or just anybody or somebody to approach Scorpio so easily. It's also because Scorpio is amazingly well to do, and maybe you feel that people may want to take advantage, so you are trying to protect Scorpio in many ways. Now, what is the hope or fear you both have about the future together? You both were in a very painful energy. When I see these cards, and you both are healing. The good part is you both went through some bad phase, and now you both are healing. You went through something very emotional, the partner to Scorpio, and Scorpio sees that only when you are healed will he or she be able to make a marriage proposal to you or take things forward with you romantically. So your partner believe, so as a Scorpio you believe future is possible only when your partner is completely healed. And this is also coming from this hurt where your partner wants to talk about some pain or something, but he or she is not yet opened up to you. So you are aware of this hurt or pain, Scorpio, and you are willing to wait for your partner to open up, heal, and then take things forward. How do you see the future with the Scorpio? As a partner, you feel Scorpio was in a bad life till you met the Scorpio, or he or she was being controlled, or maybe was paying some kind of alimony, or was paying some kind of payout to a business, but he or she was feeling very restricted and controlled. So when this guidance shows up in the future energy, it's saying that this energy will continue. So it's quite possible some of you are dating a very rich and well-to-do Scorpio, but he or she may be paying some kind of alimony or child care. So he or she is not fully free to do things as they please. They should keep some money aside, or keep their account book clear of certain things, so that a certain paycheck can go out regularly. You feel the ex or some partner in the past could be controlling Scorpio, and it will continue in the future. Your worry is very true, and sometimes this is just how things are. You may not get the whole of your partner, you may just get slightly less of a partner, or their heart or their love. The reason for that is he or she is charged from the past and is getting controlled in some way. So gradually this energy will improve, but I am saying that right now you see that there is a very big future commitment that the Scorpio has, and is very contained or controlled by that situation, which will also continue to play out in the future. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Scorpio, and your partner is coming from? In the past, you went out looking for a lot of help, and then the help did not come along, Scorpio. So that bothers you a great deal, that when you needed money the most, you needed food the most, or you needed shelter the most, you really did not get any help. So you come up the long way, and that is why there is this spending energy you have, that let me have the most in the present moment, because I don't know what will come in the future. And the reason for that is, in the past you had asked a lot of help and you did not get it. So your journey from going from zero to having a lot of wealth is very painful, but you seem to have made it from rags to riches. What is the past your partner is coming from? Your partner is coming from a very nice environment and old money. I am seeing your partner may be someone who's coming from a very traditional business family, or whose parents are very well educated, very well settled in some way. He or she went to some kind of a private or a boarding school and is being raised on lot of strictness or discipline. So your partner comes from a great very nice background of how to take care of themselves, and how much to say, what to say, and very nice upbringing, so he or she has attended some very great school or college. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, this card is telling me a certain journey may not happen. So, the two of you planning to go on a travel which needed a lot of money or investment is not happening. Maybe you are planning a very rich travel or very luxurious holiday, it's not happening. Some of you will go through a change of plan, or you may not want to be spending so much on the luxurious holiday. This is also telling me that one of you wants to take a break from your career. Maybe it is you, Scorpio, or maybe it is the partner. One of you is thinking of very strictly taking a break from work and then just taking it easy being at home. So, right now, I'm just getting this guidance about the relationship or the love connection where one of you wants to take a break and spend more time, being at home or just tending to the other person or let the love blossom. So, that's how it is, and cards are overall very beautiful. You both seem to be in lot of love.